Your house is most likely the most expensive purchase of your lifetime and a safe haven that provides a hub for everyday activities, relaxation, and making memories. It doesn't remain in great shape without some effort, but with some loving care and an organized maintenance schedule, you can manage the upkeep without added stress. Here are 10 ways to keep your home in tip-top condition and how to prevent some costly mistakes. 1. Prevent water damage, which is stressful, time-consuming, and expensive to repair. 2. Control moisture levels to lessen the chances of mold and mildew problems. 3. Keep the air clean for a healthier environment for you and your family. 4. Check your HVAC system to maximize efficiencies and extend the life of the unit. 5. Vacuum your floors regularly to extend the life of the flooring and improve air quality. 6. Keep your dryer vent clean to minimize the potential fire hazards. 7. Clean ceiling fans and bathroom fans so they work properly and don't recirculate dust. 8. Check exterior components for any damages and budget for inevitable replacements. 9. Schedule services for pest control to reduce damages caused by unwanted intruders. 10. Maintain your deck for safety, longevity, and resale value. With awareness of these top 10 critical areas, you can schedule and maintain your home with minimal hassles. Your home should be a safe, happy place that puts a smile on your face. Proper maintenance will keep it that way.